Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn about another hook in React called useRef. So let's get started. So what exactly is useRef? UseRef is a hook that provides a way to persist values across renders without causing re-renders. So it can be used for accessing and interacting with DOM elements or storing mutable values that do not trigger re-renders when updated, or keeping a reference to a value that survives re-renders. Unlike useState, updating a useRef value does not cause the component to re-render. So let's look at the basic syntax of useRef. In this example, myRef is a reference object that React attaches to the button element. This reference allows you to directly access the DOM node. One of the most common uses of useRef is to directly access and manipulate DOM elements. So here's how you can do it. In this example, we have used button.current, which provides access to the actual DOM node. The use effect hook ensures that the button gets focused when the component mounts. So useRef is also handy for keeping track of mutable values that shouldn't trigger a re-render. Here's a practical example. In this case, countref.current stores the current value which updates without causing a re-render of the component. This is useful for tracking values that do not need to be displayed directly in the UI. You might be wondering when to use useRef versus useState. So here's a quick comparison. UState triggers a re-render of the component when the state changes. You should use it only when you need to reflect changes in the UI. While for useRef, it does not trigger a re-render when the reference value changes. It uses it for DOM interactions or to store mutable values that do not impact rendering. Now, combining useRef with useEffect can be a powerful tool. Here's an example where useRef and u can be used to manage an interval timer. Here, interval ref keeps a reference to the interval ID, allowing us to clear it properly when the component unmounts or the effect reruns. Now, before we conclude, here are some best approaches for using useRef. You should only use it for DOM access, that is, if you need direct access to a DOM element, useRef is the way to go. Next, you should avoid overuse of state management. While useRef is a great tool for persisting values, it shouldn't replace useState for values that impact rendering. And finally, always remember to clean up the resources like timers or subscriptions that you create in useEffect. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you understood the use of useRef and useEffect. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.